And now we will learn our mantra, which we will use during our meditation. Mantra is a Sanskrit word. Sanskrit is an ancient language. Mantra means mind. Mantra is the instrument of the mind that we use to take us from thoughts to the stillness. I will say this Sanskrit mantra out loud 3 times and whisper it 3 times as you just listen. And then together we will say the mantra out loud 3 times and whisper it 3 times. And then we will meditate together for a couple minutes as I guide you through. The Sanskrit mantra, So Hum Namah. The essence of this mantra is coming back to the true self. So is true, Hum is self, Namah is coming back to. So closing your eyes, just listen. So Hum Namah. 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 And now together, out loud 3 times, and we'll whisper it 3 times. So Hum Namah. 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 And now silently repeat your mantra over and over again. Gentle, easy repetition of your mantra. You may notice that your mantra speeds up or slows down. Just stay with the gentle, easy repetition. If your mind wanders to thoughts, just come back to the mantra. The moment that you notice you're having thoughts, gently repeat your mantra. If you get distracted by a noise in the environment or an emotion comes up, treat these like you would a thought and come back to the easy, gentle repetition of your mantra. We will meditate together for a short time and just have your awareness up at the area of the forehead. Enjoy. Keeping your eyes closed, just take a moment to sit quietly. If you'd like, you can extend your legs out or sit back in your chair. We always just take a moment after we meditate, even if it's just for a few minutes, to just rest. No more mantra, no words, just be. And when you are ready, You can slowly open your eyes. And that's the mantra we'll be using during meditation.